Gujarat, in the northern part of India, is considered one of the most prosperous states in India. Gujarat is on one end of the spectrum, a white desert, making you feel like you're on the moon, and on the other end of the spectrum, filled with water from the Indian Ocean, which will make you feel like you're on Miller's planet from the movie Interstellar. Gujarat is the land of kings and queens. It is home to Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and other notable people in the history of India. Garba from Gujarat is not just a famous dance style in India, but it's a world famous. But it's not just the dance that sets Gujarat apart from the world. So let's study a little bit about Gujarat. Gujarat's history is many years long and is having a few things to share to the history of other states. Gujarat's history is approximately 2000 years old. It was established as a state on May the 1st, 1960. As a result of being near to sea, many types of people came and settled here. Approximately 28 tribes have colonized here. That's why this state has a number of cultures. It's also financially and economically viable. By the time I'm recording this video, the GDP of Gujarat is ascending as quickly as of China. In terms of income, Gujarat is the third highest in India. The Surat city in Gujarat is one of the richest cities of India, even ahead of Bangalore and Chennai. You will see a lot of cultures and traditions mixing up together peacefully. There is a variety of colors available there with many jewelries for women. Most of the people here talk in Gujarati. Gujarat has more vegetarians than any other Indian state. So you will surely have a treat if you are vegetarian. No pun intended. This state is also famous for its tourist spots. This place is not just a place for business, but also a place for tours. The seaside temples from Gujarat attract many visitors every year. There are many forts, palaces, and museums which will surely bring a delightful smile to you every time you visit. The Gandhinagar city of Gujarat is considered as the greenest city in Asia. Gujarat is also called the most secure state of India. Gujarat comes third in the list of the cleanest states in India. Gujarat is the only Indian state which has banned drugs, leading to the colossal development of the state. Gujarat is the petrochemical hub of India, producing more than half of India's petrochemical. This state is also India's biggest tobacco producer. 80% of the diamonds mined come to Surat in Gujarat to get polished. Gujarat also contains the rare Asian lions. So, it seems like Gujarat is a pretty good state to visit if you are on a world tour. So do make sure to come here once at least and leave your experience in the comments. If you found this video interesting or informative, then do make sure to like, share and subscribe. I'll meet you on the next one. Stay tuned.